In this video, I'll guide you through how to use the custom report builder in Google Analytics 4. By the end, you'll know exactly where to find it, how to set it up, and how to customize it so it shows the data that actually matters to you and your team. First, let's talk about where this lives in the interface. In 2026, the custom report builder is primarily located in the library section of the reports area. This is important because anything you build here can become a permanent report that appears in your left-hand navigation right alongside the default reports. Start by signing into your Google Analytics 4 property, then look at the left-hand side of the screen, click on Reports in the main navigation. This takes you to the reporting workspace. Now scroll all the way to the bottom of the menu that appears under Reports. At the very bottom, you'll see an option called Library. Go ahead and click that. Once you're in the library, you'll see collections of reports and any custom reports you or your team have already created. To start a new one, look for a button or option that says Create New Report. Click that. And from the choices that appear, select Create Detail Report. This is the option that opens up the full custom report builder where you can control the layout, the data, and how it's visualized. Next, you'll be asked to choose a template. Here you have two main choices. You can start from a blank report, which gives you maximum flexibility and is best if you have a very specific structure in mind. Or you can choose one of the existing templates, such as the traffic acquisition template. Using a template can save time because it comes pre-configured with common dimensions, metrics, and visualizations that you can then tweak to your needs. Once you select your template, the builder interface will open. You'll notice it's divided into two main sections: report data and visualizations. The visualizations area is where you see how your report will actually look, such as tables and charts. The report data panel, usually on the right, is where you define what data appears in those visualizations. Let's start in the report data panel. Here, you'll see a section for dimensions. Think of dimensions as the things you're breaking your data down by. Common examples include country, page path, session source, or device category. When you add a dimension, you're telling the report how to group your data. For example, if you choose country, your table might show one row per country. Below that, you'll find metrics. Metrics are the actual numbers you want to analyze. Typical metrics include active users, event count, conversions, engagement rate, or revenue. These are the values that will be summed, averaged, or otherwise calculated in your report. A good rule of thumb is to combine one or two dimensions with a focused set of metrics so your report stays clear and easy to interpret. You'll also see a filters section in the report data panel. Filters let you include or exclude specific data, so the report only shows what's relevant. For example, you might add a filter where country exactly matches United States if you want to focus only on US traffic, or you could filter by session source to look only at visitors from a particular campaign or channel. Filters are powerful, but try to keep them simple and clear so you and others can easily understand what the report is showing. After you've chosen your dimensions, metrics, and any filters, you can adjust the visualizations to match how you want the data displayed. Once you're happy with everything, make sure to save your report. When you save from the library, this custom report becomes available as a permanent item that can appear in your left-hand navigation, making it easy to access and reuse in the future.